So the ATF hates this weapon, and here's why. This is produced by a company called SCR, and they call this thing the Fight Light. The ATF does not know how to classify this. This is chambered in .556. This is a rifle caliber. This is also not intended to be shot one-handed. I definitely can. You'll probably see some of the clips where I'm pointing this thing out and shooting it. And thanks to this cookie cutter, there is no recoil in this thing. There is no recoil. So when you buy this weapon, they literally mark it as a K1 other. Not a pistol, nor a rifle. Check that thing out. Like, what is this? Like, what is that? Like, what are we really doing here? But why they hate it is because this is a small, concealable weapon. You can throw it into a backpack. You can throw it into your truck. You can